Hello everyone, welcome to another SolidWorks tutorial. Today I am going to walk you through the rip command. I will discuss about every single details of the rip property manager, so stay tuned. Let's get started with the new part file. So this is one file that I have created. Most of the features of this part files are created by rip commands. Before we come onto this part, let's open up another part file. I will explain one by one, opening up few different part files. So here I have created this part files and I have created two sketches. Both of these sketches are created on the front plane. So let's see if we can create rip using these two sketches. These are two separate sketches. This is one and this is the other. There is another one, we don't need that one, I'm going to delete it. So the rip command can be found under feature tab and over here. When you click on rip command, it is asking us to select the sketch. Here we have got two sketches. If there is only one sketch, that would be selected by default. So I'm going to select this sketch first. Now once you select that sketch, the rip property manager pops up. So this is the rip property manager. Under this property manager we have got different commands and parameters to select. The first one is the thickness. When you look at this preview, you can see the rip is symmetrical. So when you click on this, it comes to one side. When you click on this, it goes to the opposite side. Let's keep it at middle. And the next thing is the thickness. So this is 10 millimeter and I'm going to make it 2 millimeter. Once you make 2 millimeter, it's become thinner. And next one is extrusion directions. So if you rotate your part like this, you can see the extrusion direction is towards the part. So using this you can change it to the opposite direction. So it is on the others, it is directing to the other side. And here we have got extrusion direction. This is different to the flip material side. This is the first one, means the flip is going to be along the sketch plane. So this is the sketch plane and this is the sketch plane, and the front plane is the sketch plane, and the rib is going to be along the sketch plane. When you click on this one, the rib is going to be perpendicular to the sketch plane. So once you when you select this option and click on preview, it says the rib is not bounded properly. That means this rib cannot be extruded into this direction because there are no any part in this side. And even if you flip the material under this option, it is directly into the opposite side, and again there are no any material, so you can't create the rib. You get rib is not bounded properly. And now since we cannot create the rib with these options, we have to select this option. This is parallel to the sketch plane. Now you can see the sketch plane is front plane, the rib would be along the sketch plane. So once you click on preview, you can see the rib preview is created. So that means the rib can be created in these directions. I will exit the preview and I'm going to flip the material. Now you can see the arrow is directed to the opposite side. Then when you click on the preview, again you cannot create the rib because the resulting rib did not intersect the existing model. Click OK. So under this, in this situation, there is there is only one option that we can create the rib, so which is the flip the material towards the part, and the rib has to be parallel to sketch, and the rest can be anything. So once you hit on OK, the rib is created. So I'm going to highlight one more thing under this. I will go back and go to edit command, and next discuss about the draft. So when you click on the draft, you can actually add the draft to the rib. So to make it easier to notice, I will make this one like 10 degree, and I will hit preview. Now you can see the draft is created on the rib. So when you click OK, the draft is added to the rib, and also it is starting from the top sketch. So the width is maintained on the sketch of the rib, and it is drafted outwards. So when you click again to the edit rib, and if you click on this one, let's see what happened. So I'm clicking draft outwards and click preview, and now you can see the draft is created, rib is created, but since it is drafted inwards, so only this part can be created because of the draft angle. So these are the basic things that we can discuss under rib command, and I will open up the next part file to discuss the other options. Stay tuned.